Hello, everybody. This is Tim Powell, and if you're watching and listening to this, I assume that you want to send some files maybe to a client securely with an application that's connected to your Google account. And the presentation I'm giving is for Chrome. There's something similar you can do for Internet Explorer. Chrome is kind of a better browser for folks at VMG because it integrates with our email system that's run on Google. So we're going to start by installing an app, an extension into Chrome. And the way that you find all of the extensions that you might want to add into Chrome is by going to the Chrome Web Store. So and in order to find the Send Safely app, you're just going to type Send Safely. Now, I've already installed it, but when you open this up, this shows that I can rate it, that I have extension 1 of 1. You're going to click to install and register it. And when you register it, just simply use your Google login for your registration. Just makes it easier to do that way. So after you've gone through and installed it, it'll pop up over here as this little orange square. And so once it's installed, you're going to click on the little orange square, and it's going to walk you through adding an account. So you're going to add an account and Send Safely that corresponds with your email account. And at each of the points with the installation, you want to just use your Google login to log in. So since you're already logged into your browser, it'll automatically log you into Send Safely, and it will create the information that you need in order to run the app. It'll create a free account. So there's 3 levels of accounts depending on the size of files that you want to send. If you want to send some really big files, you can send huge files, but it costs you $20 a month. So I've already installed it. So if I click on here, I can see what my user settings are. This big long gobbledygook number, the API key, is the encryption key that was created specifically for my account. So now that we have an encryption key, and I assume that you're at this point, I made an earlier video on how to get to this point too as well. But now we want to send something. So I'm going to go ahead and send something to myself. So I'm going to add myself as as an account here. So I'm going to send it to my personal email. And I'm going to add a message. My SSN is 555-66-7777. 1 2 digits. I'm going to go ahead and attach a file just for the fun of it. I'm going to attach a file. Now, I'm going to generate a secure link by clicking on this button for the recipient. So I click on Generate Secure Link, and we're going to go ahead and add that recipient, generate a secure link. So I'm going to copy it to the clipboard. So now I can send my secure link to whoever I want to send it to. So I'm going to go ahead and open my email by going in and going to Gmail. I'm going to go ahead and compose an email, and I'm going to send it to myself. And I'll just say secret message and hit Control V. Actually, since this is Google, I have to insert this as a link. So I'm going to insert a link. So now I've inserted a link, and I'm just going to go ahead and send it. So now my encrypted message has been sent out. So let's go ahead and go into my email account and see what I get on the other side. So here it is. I have this message encrypted. So when I click on the link, I'm going to say, here's my email address. And here's my file with my information. Now I've logged in before, so this already knows that it's in there. If it didn't, it also would send either a text message or another message to the user the first time that they do this. And the message is going to have a number in it that they enter. So let's see if I can find. So if it's the first time that they've used it, they're going to get an email like this when they click on the link. And it's going to say, we just received an email request that's sent to you, and they enter this number. And when they enter that number, it's going to open up and allow them to see the encrypted email. So this should be pretty straightforward. If you get lost or stuck, give me a call. But anyways, this works pretty well. Thanks.